Good morning. It's probably about 7:30, quarter to 8. It's wash and wax day, so you got to get up early and get started early to get this thing cleaned and shining. So stay tuned. Here we go. Bar soap. This stuff's amazing, or should I say, it is awesome. Get that at Dollar General. It's good for cleaning everything. So I do have full body paint, so I use the wash and wax. I get it at Walmart. It's concentrated, so it really works well. It's the Armor All, or there's the Turtle Wax, and matter of fact, I got some of it too. So either one really works well. It brings the shine out. So one of the tools I use is my telescoping pole. It's put out by Eversprout, and you see I can barely reach the top up there, but this pole opens up twice. So flip that up, this first piece comes out, then I can lock it down there, or I can move the second one, and it really, I mean really comes out. I don't know how well you can see that, but I can reach way up there now. So I love this pole. I got it off of Amazon. I don't have an Amazon store right now, but I love it. It gets me to where I can reach those tall places on my camper and not really have to get on a ladder to reach stuff. So one thing I do use a ladder for when I'm washing is the awnings. They kind of wrap up around, so I use the ladder to get me up some elevation so I can get behind the awnings and get that roll cap, make sure it's clean, and make sure the drip rails and the rain guards or the rain gutters are clean as well, because you don't want anything clogging up your rain gutters, because if that happens, then your water's rushing down the side of your camper rather than going to each end. Let's get up here and get to work. We're almost halfway there. Let me know how often y'all clean your RV. Is it once a week, once a month, right before you go on trips? Leave me a comment. Let me know how often you clean yours. All right, now washing is complete. Now it's time to do the tedious work. But let me show you a little secret I got.